Have you ever felt like happiness is just out of reach? Like no matter what you achieve, there's always something more to chase? I know that feeling well. There was a time when I believed happiness was something to be found in the future. A better job, a new experience, a life-changing event. But the more I chased it, the further it seemed to slip away. Then, I discovered something profound. Happiness is not a destination. It is a way of being. Zen philosophy teaches us that joy is not something we find, but something we uncover, hidden in the small, ordinary moments of life. It is not about changing our circumstances, but changing the way we see them. In today's video, we explore the wisdom of Zen and how it can help us embrace happiness, not someday, but right here, in this very moment. At the heart of Zen is the concept of mushin, a state of no mind where we let go of overthinking and judgment. It is the ability to experience life as it is, without resistance or expectation. Imagine a flowing river. When the water meets an obstacle, it does not stop. It moves around it effortlessly. When we embrace mushin, we become like the river, allowing life to unfold without clinging or resisting. Have you ever watched a child marvel at the world around them? The way they find wonder in a butterfly, excitement in a raindrop, or joy in the simplest of games? This is Shoshin, the beginner's mind. When we see life as if for the first time, we free ourselves from expectations and open the door to true happiness. Every moment becomes new, every experience a gift. Zen teaches us that every moment is vast, containing infinite possibilities. Ichinen Sanzen reminds us that all of life, past, present, and future, is woven into the fabric of now. When we truly immerse ourselves in the present, whether it's drinking tea, listening to the wind, or feeling the warmth of the sun, we tap into a joy that requires nothing more than awareness itself. Right now, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Do it again. Feel the air filling your lungs, then releasing. This simple act, something we do every second without noticing, becomes a gateway to the present moment. Zen meditation begins here in the breath. Happiness isn't waiting in grand moments. It lives in the everyday. Washing dishes, walking to work, sipping a cup of tea. When we bring full awareness to these acts, they become profound. A meal is no longer just food. It is an experience of taste, aroma, warmth. A conversation is not just words. It is an exchange of energy, a moment of connection. So much of our suffering comes from clinging to past regrets, future worries, expectations of how things should be. Zen teaches us that true happiness is found in acceptance. When we let go of the need to control everything, we discover the freedom of simply being. Take a moment to think about something you are grateful for. It could be the kindness of a friend, the beauty of the sky, or the fact that you are here, alive, breathing. Gratitude shifts our focus from what is missing to what is present. And in that shift, happiness naturally arises. Zen is not just about personal happiness, it is about extending that joy to others. When we treat ourselves and others with kindness, when we replace judgment with understanding, we create a world that is lighter, more peaceful. True joy is not in taking, but in giving. Have you ever noticed that happiness is contagious? A simple smile, a kind word, a small act of generosity, it ripples outward. By choosing to cultivate joy, we don't just transform our own lives, but the lives of those around us. Happiness is not a prize to be won. It is not waiting in the future, tied to success, wealth, or status. It is here, in this moment, in the simple act of being fully alive. Zen teaches us to stop searching and start seeing. So, I invite you to take a breath, to notice the beauty around you, to let go of the chase and simply be. Because when you stop searching for happiness, you just might find that it has been with you all along. What small moments bring you joy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this message resonates with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the art of happiness with us. Until next time, breathe deeply and embrace the journey.